Hey you guys, we're here with another DIY and I picked up these adorable baskets at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the sticker that has in the bottom. Now there's two other options at Dollar Tree. I want to say a pineapple and a castle. So go ahead and pick up the basket that you want to do. I'm going to DIY this basket and it's going to come out super adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and do a Valentine's theme. So yeah, you guys, it's already going to be Valentine's, one of my favorite holidays. You know, I'm all about the hugs and kisses. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to prep these. Now, make sure when you're facing your apple that you face it the right way. It's really optional if you want to go ahead and face it the opposite way, but I decided this was the better way to do the apples. So the first one I'm going to add is the teacher fuel with the hearts, and then teach, love, and inspire. I thought this would be great for Valentine's. So these decals, I'll leave the link down below. And these are the colors I'm going to be using. Of course, the pink, the red, and the fuchsia. So I'll leave the names of the colors down below. If I don't, go ahead and remind me. I picked them up at your local Walmart, which is one of my favorite places to do paint. You guys, if you're going to go ahead and do a project, any project using paint, go to your local Walmart. Now, I'm going to use my favorite transfer tape, which I'll leave the link down below. So you guys could get $5 off your first purchase. So with that link, you're going to get automatically $5 from me. So you can go ahead and purchase. This is my favorite transfer tape. You guys, it's so easy when you're cutting it because it has the little lines there. And then when you peel it, it's going to come out and it's going to look clear, but the lines are still going to be there to guide you. One of my favorite ways of doing a DIY is always with a little guidance because it comes out simpler and it helps you. So I'll leave that link down below. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to peel it and we're going to add it to the wood. So let me tell you, it grabs onto the wood really good. All you have to do is put it exactly where you want it and go ahead and grab your scraper and scrape it super hard. Now scrape it super hard because it is going to be sticking onto wood. Once you scraped it, or once it's ready, go ahead and peel your transfer tape. It's going to be a little hard, but take your time. Use your tools, and then go ahead and take your time and use your tools and peel it off gently so you don't lift anything. If you do happen to lift something, you know what? It's life and it happens. Now these baskets are going to be filled with goodies, and that is going to be in the next episode. All I'm doing is prepping them, getting them ready for everything I'm going to add in there for Valentine's. And I thought these were the cutest little sayings, especially for the teachers. You know, they love their caffeine, but obviously different teachers love different kinds of coffee. So let me know what's the favorite gift card down below that you like to give the teacher. Is it for coffee? Is it for like the Dollar Tree? Is it for Target? Is it Starbucks? If you are a teacher, can you please let me know down below what is the favorite gift card that you love that just gets you through the whole year? Just wanted to know if I'm on target or if I'm way off. So I'm going to peel this gently, and all I'm doing is holding the other piece so it doesn't lift. Take your time. And you're going to go ahead and use the same transfer tape for the next one. So don't throw that away. Don't ever throw it away. You can use the transfer tape for all your projects if you're doing them that same day. So you don't have to grab a new piece all the time. That's a little trick for any DIYer. You can always reuse the same piece. And then when you're done with your projects, you can throw it away. Because after a while, the stickiness goes away. But that's a great way to save some money, a great little trick, and it works every time. Let me tell you, I've been using this transfer tape since I started crafting and I started using vinyl. So go ahead, I'll leave the link down below. Trust me, you get $5 off. You're going to find everything you need in that link for your vinyl, for your heat vinyl, for your fabrics, everything you need. to your transfer tape. And then a couple of things as well. So go ahead and check out that website. Get yourself your $5. Use them. And go ahead and see what you can make. Once it's nice and you have it on there, see how I'm going to use the same tape? I'm going to go ahead and press on it again, and it's going to grab it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add it right onto my basket. And then once you have it on there, just go ahead and press on it again. So use whatever you need to keep everything together. And you see how the little heart is not trying to lift. So I'm just going to press it with my hand. And there you go. If the scraper doesn't work, use your hands. Make sure you press it in there really nice and then keep moving. So this sign is a little bigger. You can go ahead and make it a little smaller if you wish to on your Cricut Maker or whatever you're using. But I like it bigger just because it's going to come out a little smaller anyways once you paint it, and the teacher's going to be able to see it. I'm going to go ahead and scrape it down. I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the other one. I scrape it down. Then I'm going to go ahead and lift it. And then I'm going to press it with my hands. But the wood should be able to grab it. It always does. Once it's ready to lift, I'm going to do the same process. Lift it, hold it down with my other hand, and then keep going. If something lifts, go ahead and scrape it back down or use your hands so it doesn't lift. It's really up to you. And then keep going. So I love using these little baskets. Let me tell you, they look small, but you can add a punch to it by adding some goodies in there. And trust me, you don't have to go all crazy for the teachers as long as you add the main things that they like. And this little basket, you can add a ton of stuff. And I'll show you that in the next video just so you can get an idea of what you can add in here. I'll show you in the next video when we're setting it up and how we're going to close it up. So everything I'm going to use for this basket, it was from the dollar store. You can also go ahead and pick up the paint there, but I recommend it at Walmart just because it is like 50 cents and you know, you save $1. And the paint at Walmart, let me tell you, it's pretty good. The trick to your paint is to shake it. When you're going to go ahead and use any paint that you haven't used in a while, go ahead and shake it just so the oils in there can mix and the paint is really nice and liquidy. So if you have paint in your craft room, go ahead once in a while, grab it and shake it just so the paint is up to date and it doesn't set. That's a super easy trick just to keep your paint going through the whole year. And that's exactly what I do. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it. Look at how pretty this pink is. And I love the fact that the love has the little hearts on there. So when you paint it and you lift it, it's going to show all the little hearts. You can paint it any color you want, whatever color you're doing for Valentine's this year. I decided to do the pinks and also add the reds this year because last year I only did pink. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and add the red. Or you could just do all reds. Or you can just do all pinks. So let me know what color you're using for Valentine's this year. Or what color you gravitate to the most. When I love using the pinks for Valentine's just because the reds, I use them a lot on Christmas. So it's optional. I'm going to go ahead and use the same paint since I have it open already and keep going. Look how cute the little hearts are going to be. Now with the paint, you want to do 1 to 3 coats of the paint just so it sets really nice and the color is super bright. You can do 2 coats if you want, but I do not recommend one. It's just not going to show. It's going to not give you that pretty effect once you lift the transfer tape. Once you lift the decal, it's not going to show if you don't do 2 or 3 layers of the paint. Go ahead and let it dry. That dries super fast. Let me tell you, it dries the same day. You're not going to have to wait overnight. You're not going to have to wait an hour. It dries super fast and you're able to continue with your DIY. All I'm doing is letting it dry, and it's air dry. I'm not using nothing else. And then you're going to see how cute this is going to come out. Now this is going to be I think it's called Diva Pink, which is going to be like a hot pink. Look at the color on that. Now that's going to be super cute. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the bottom. I'm loving that color. Go ahead and let it dry in between layers and then come back and paint it again. That's exactly what I do. And look at how adorable that is. And I end up using the fuchsia pink and the pink only. I didn't use the red, so I kind of got inspired again by the pinks. So I thought it would be cute to go ahead and do the pinks for Valentine's. Let me know what colors you would have chose. I would love to know what you would put into this. I haven't started planning that, but let me know what you think would be great in this little basket. I think the first thing would be obviously a gift card if it's in perfect, because I have done a little basket like this before. So I know if it's in a gift card. So we'll start with that. Any ideas? Comment down below and let me know. Now we're going to go ahead and let that air dry. And then I'm going to give it the second layer. Oh, look at how cool that is. Now you can also write the teacher's name on here. You can do so many things on there. Go ahead and take advantage of that. Make a couple of things. Take advantage of everything and you're going to love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and let that air dry. And then once it's air dry, I'm going to come back and we're going to lift it. So let's go ahead and lift this. I let it sit there for a while. You can sit it 15 to 20 minutes should be fine. Grab your tools. And now we're going to go ahead and lift it. And look at how easy that is. Look at how cute that looks. The teacher already looks really cute. And now when you're going to make these projects, take your time. You don't want to mess up the whole thing and you work so hard for it. So make sure that the paint is dry before you lift it. If you're not, it's going to smear and you don't want that. So make sure it dries 15 to 20 minutes and then go ahead and just lift it. Take your time when you're lifting it as well. And look at how cute that heart is. And look at how fast that was. Isn't that adorable? Now I'm going to go ahead and use the next tool and I'm just going to go ahead and lift the rest of the vinyl. And it's going to come out super cute, trust me. No matter what you put on here, you can put so many things on here. And look at how adorable that heart is. I already could tell it's going to come out super cute and they're going to love it. I'm using my nails to lift it as well as the tool. So you can use whatever you want. Oh my God, look at how cute it's coming. See what I mean by don't make the writing smaller, make it bigger. Make it as big as you can, just so it stands out once you paint it. Now, you guys, you know what would be great? If you let your kids paint it. Or if you could ask your kids, like, hey, what do you want to write on here? In case they want to write like their name on there. It would be so funny. And they could go ahead and just paint it. It'll be a fun DIY for them. So it's optional, but so many ideas you can do in these little baskets. And they're at the Dollar Tree section and the arts and crafts section. So you're going to find them there like at the bottom. How adorable is that? And then just lift it up and we're almost there. And then lift it up and look how cute that came out. Isn't that just adorable, you guys? Great, simple, easy DIY that anybody can make. If you mess it up, guess what? You messed it up. It is what it is and keep moving. Now I'm going to do the next one and it should come out a lot easier since I already know what I'm doing. And look at that. See how easier? Once you get the hang of it, it's easier, it's faster, and you kind of know what you're doing already. This is just like the prep of it. And then we'll put the basket together another day. I'm just showing you exactly what I did so you can learn the tips and the tricks and you don't mess up. And then next time you are ready to put it together, it's way easier for you. But it came out super cute. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and make more of these. And if I do, don't worry, I'm going to film them so you can see what I put next on there. You guys are going to love them. They are adorable and super cute. Look at how adorable the little hearts are. There are a lot to do, but trust me, once you get it done, it's worth it. And there you go. I finished it. Look at how cute that is. You guys, this is so cute. I can't wait to put it together for you and add some goodies on here for Valentine's. So happy Valentine's. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And until next time, bye you guys.